I'm an autumn lover and I hope you are too. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video we're gonna do a fall video, which is so exciting. I'm gonna be unboxing all my fall and Halloween decor because I'm getting ready to decorate. Yes, I know we're kind of early about this, but who cares? I'm an autumn lover and I hope you are too. So we're gonna do some unboxing to see what I'm gonna be using or not. We're gonna do a little bit of plan and prep for fall. I'm just excited for the burr months, which is September, October, November, December. I just love it. I just love the holidays, the coziness, and that's what I like to bring in my channel, is the most coziness. I did a lot of store vlogs, okay? I was hustling, okay guys? So if you guys haven't seen that, go and check it out. We went to Michael's, Hobby Lobby, World Market, Home Goods, and we saw lots of decor, which I'm gonna go back because I do want to do a little bit of shopping, but I first wanted to see what I have in my bins. Now, if you're new here, my name is Jasmine. I love to do store vlogs, decorating, and lifestyle videos. So let's get started. Also, I'm wearing a new shirt. I think it's so cute. It's Charlie Brown playing football. Set my camera down so you guys could see the back of this shirt. It is so freaking cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Marshalls. I love Marshalls. All right, let's start. Wow, look at all these pumpkins, fall leaves, foliage, and surfwear, ghosts. I'm just excited. I think I'm gonna display everything on my dining table to see all the stuff that I have, because I have accumulated a lot throughout the years. I think I just created my own little pumpkin patch right here. Just love seeing a sea full of pumpkins. I am ready for autumn, guys. If you could see the big smile that I have, I'm ready for autumn. Let's go with where I got everything at. So we'll start off with right here in the corner. These right here, they're actually from Kirkland's. I've had these for quite some time now. And then these right here, they are from TJ Maxx. I actually painted these. These were $4.99. So you can see it was a bright orange, but I wanted to give it a moody color. And I think I did a good job. Kind of looks like a terracotta. Now, also these are from Martha Stewart, and I got these actually at Home Goods, and I love the silver stem. I like all the speckled, and there's no price on this one. The pumpkins that I also love, I love all my pumpkins, but a pumpkin that I actually love are these right here. Just love the color. These are from Target, and let me see, $10, and they are from the Threshold. What's crazy though, I'm telling you guys, these prices, they're not the prices if you go to stores nowadays. You know, the prices are super high right now. This little pumpkin could be like 20 bucks at, I don't know, Michael's or something. Okay, $5 for this cute color cream pumpkin. I've had this one for quite some time and I love it. Now, I don't know if you guys recall, but these pumpkins, they are like from the craft section. I think these were from Michael's, and I actually gave them a nice paint job. Added some baking soda to give it texture, and then it looks like terracotta. It looks really pretty. I had these displayed in my entryway, and I think it looks so gorgeous last year. This is actually very cute. This pumpkin right here is from Temu. I love the glass pumpkin, the green stem. I'm obsessed with this. Candy dish, add in your entryway, add your keys. The list goes on of multiple ways. I even thought of adding candle wax and doing it as a candle. Pumpkin is this glass one. I have used string lights. I've had treats in there. You could find it at Target or Walmart. I've seen it around. Now this pumpkin right here, I love it. I have used this for movie night. You could add your popcorn, you could add your snacks, and just be ready and getting cozy for movie nights. This one I've had for quite some time. This one is from Home Goods. This one's from Kirkland's, Home Goods. My favorite, all-time favorite pumpkin for Halloween is actually this one right here. I think this one is too cute and spooky. This little pumpkin's one of my favorite ones. So cute because you can stick this anywhere. This one is from Target and I've had this one for quite some time. This one's from Bath & Body Works. This pumpkin right here is from Joann's. One of my favorite pumpkins is this house one right here that I've had for quite some time now. Got this one at Home Goods. My tea kettle pumpkin. This one is so gorgeous. I just love the copper look. Kind of gives it a witchy vibe. And last but not least on my pumpkins, this jack-o'-lantern one, classic. Nice from TJ Maxx. Okay, so it is becoming a little overwhelming because it's a lot of stuff. It's crazy because you think you don't have decor, but once you bring everything out, and I decided this year, I'm like, let's put everything on the dining table so I could really see what I have, because I usually get a bin and then just get some stuff out, put stuff back in, and you know, going back and forth. But the amount of stuff, I have ideas now and I'm actually excited. I don't know what to decorate first, so we'll plan that in a bit, but let me share what I have of my surfwear and kitchenware, because this was my favorite little section. This makes it extra cozy. Decorating the kitchen, my coffee bar is my favorite place. Let's start off with that little section that will go down. This plate is actually from Target that I've had for quite some time now. I mentioned this one, I want to say the Michaels, they have one similar to that. This one I've had it for more than 10 years. I want to say even 15, but yeah, I've had it for quite some time. Now this pumpkin pie dish is so cute. I love it. Autumnal, bright color, and I love how it has the recipe. I had this one displayed last year in my kitchen. You guys have seen me display these plates. These are from the Target dollar spot. Let's appreciate this. But this is my pumpkin spice cottage. I just want to live in here. So cute, very adorable. I add string lights to this. This one's from Blue Sky, Home Goods 2 years ago, I want to say. Also from Home Goods is actually these two bowls right here. I had to get a set, for one for me, one for my husband. I think this is too cute. Just love the pumpkins and the leaves, very adorable. Now my salt and pepper shaker, our friend Letty got this for us last year, and I think it's so cute. We used it as toppers for one of our glass displays. The pumpkin spoons, these are from Hobby Lobby. You guys know they usually have them every year. Okay, let's talk about sugar and creamer set, because I have 3. Okay, I have this apple one, so cute. It looks like it's in a rattan little basket. Now these are vintage. I want to say they're even from Home Interiors or something. My mom has had these the longest. Okay, maybe there's some similar one, but these are adorable. Another sugar and creamer set are these. These are from Home Goods. I want to say I had these for 3 years now. This one I actually got it last year from World Market. This wasn't a set actually. This was separate, but I decided to add it and have it as a set. Talking about World Market, when it was around Christmas, I went, let me sit down. When it was around Christmas, I actually spotted this, and I've been wanting it since I saw it in fall time, but it was $24.99. Look how cute this stem is. all cute and curled. I got it for clearance. I got it for $2.59. And I have a whole cute little set now. And not even that, I got this one on clearance too, which I'm so excited. A salt and pepper shaker. This one was on clearance as well. This one was $12.99. I got it for $1.29. Guys, I was blessed having this on sale. I'm actually excited. Oops, someone's calling me. Okay, that was Scam Likely ruining my day. And then I got this pie dish, I think last year too, from World Market, and I love it. I have it as a spoon rest. And then this apple plate is adorable. This one is from years ago. I don't even know where it's from, but it's cute. But this is so far my surfwear and kitchenware and the pumpkins. All right, so let's do the fall foliage. I don't have much, so I love to reuse my decor as I mentioned, but I have two of these fall leaf ones and they are gorgeous. I love them. I used them for my baskets last year, displayed on my coffee bar. I also have these right here. These are from Temu. I got these last year actually. Or these right here, kind of like an eucalyptus one, maybe it is, but different color I guess. It's a nice red wine color, burgundy. And then this is not foliage, but it's my pumpkin pie garland. So cute. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. If I could display this every year, I would. I can, I should. Another foliage is this one right here. Now this one I did get it at Michael's right here. I love the glass, the little twine. Very cute. This one is actually from Kirkland's. So much, and they still have stuff, guys. They still have stuff. So I wanted to share the wall art that I actually have. So I have this one from Kirkland's that I got last year, and I think it's so cute. Kind of gives it a 90s vibe. Very moody and cute, and I'm obsessed with it. So can't wait to use this one. And then another one that I've had for quite some time now. I have displayed this all the time, and these are from Hobby Lobby. They have the recipe one. So this one is the spice apple cider one. And I feel like they should come out with more stuff like this, like even a pumpkin pie one or an apple pie one. Believe me, I'll probably buy those too. The next one I have is this pumpkin spice latte one. So these are adorable. I just love them. I do have more fall ones, but for some reason I can't find those. I don't know if I don't know where they're at. Okay, so I'm gonna share the Halloween ones. Okay, as you can see, I have a wreath back there that I've displayed as well. So cute, branchy with bats, and I'm obsessed with that one. I think I'm gonna add it in my bedroom this year by the bookshelf because I feel like it'll give it a nice touch. And I have these little ones. I have this one that says Boo to You, and then this one that says 31 October. And these are fun because you could just display these anywhere. They're cute, they're small. I have this one right here, and this one is kind of like a shiplap, and it has a witch, the haunted house, the spooky tree, bats. This one is from Joann's. I got this one, I want to say like 4 or 5 years ago, but I think it's so cute. And I just like how it's circle, different. Another sign, it's actually from Joann's as well. The price is still on there. But this one, it says Haunted Mansion, and it's an arrow. And October 31st, it says it's $29.99. I know I didn't buy it for that price. I know I didn't. I know I probably paid like 10 bucks for this. This jack-o'-lantern, this is actually from Kohl's. It lights up. It's my favorite. I love this. It's vintage looking and it lights up pretty well, and it's on a timer, which I love. And like I said, this one's from Kohl's. I don't remember the price, but it's been a while that I had this. That's one of my favorite pieces. Now, instead of pulling out the other stuff because those are in boxes and stuff, I'm just gonna add clips of how I decorated for Halloween in the past. So I have added some spooky bats in my bedroom, in my coffee bar, and those are from Kirkland's. I've had those for quite some time now, but they're the creepy spiders that I'm really gonna display this year. Here I'm gonna go all out and decorate with the most that I can. and have it very festive here in my household. And then I also have displayed this huge haunted house that I've had for quite some time, and that one is from Home Goods. I hope you guys stick around to see how I'll be decorating. And I'm just trying to get you guys in the Halloween spirit. And what else? I also want to do treats, DIYs. I have done it in the past and I kind of want to do that again. But now let's do the planning. The planning is the most important. I think my first thing I'm gonna be decorating is my bedroom. I think I decided that the bedroom is the best place to decorate first because I love to unwind. And I love to unwind in my bedroom after my shower. Either I do my nails, I watch a movie, I have my candles lit up, I have a new reclining chair in my bedroom, so I think it just makes it extra cozy. Second, I think I'm gonna be decorating is my kitchen and the wine cooler. I think that is a must, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the moody decor this year on there. I'm also thinking of doing an apple theme, so I don't know if I'm gonna do the wine cooler to be the apple theme. I do want a moody kitchen, so I'm also gonna be decorating my living room, the entryway, so stick around for those. Probably gonna do a fall bucket list. So I kind of want to plan it even better, or if I have time, if I could go on Canva and I'll have like right here a little thing so you guys could see how I'm going to be decorating what's going to be first, so you guys can know. Coffee bar, I think that might be the last one. And then from there, we'll do fall first, and then we're going to transition and add Halloween. I'm more of a fall person. I do love Halloween, don't get me wrong, but I do want to add, I just want to do more autumn that I can. Like I said, I also want to do baking, a self-care day. I really feel like that is important to me because I love cozy days. I'm a homebody. I love to be home. If you guys have any ideas, shoot them this way. Comment below. I love to talk to you guys because I feel like you guys do listen to me and you guys do write thoughts and stuff, and I do put them in consideration and I try to add them the most that I can. I also want to do day in the lives. I even want to do a movie list, and I can share with you how I'm going to be watching certain movies certain days. So if you guys want to do that, you guys don't have to watch it the same day, but if you guys want to see the type of movies I'm going to watch, the type of snacks I'm going to be eating while watching those movies, I should actually do that. Oh my gosh, I should do that. And that's gonna be it with today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos to come. My next one should probably be maybe one more store vlog, but then decorating. With all that said, have a cozy day, guys.